Hey guys, it's Teppo here, and boy am I glad to be inside today. Seriously, I live in the North Pole, I live in Finland. It's supposed to be super cold, super snowy, and I kinda enjoy it, but today it's been raining all day long. I walked out this morning and our front yard was literally an ice rink. I tried to go drive, pick up my friend, slid right past his house, almost got in an accident, so today I decided to stay indoors where it's safe and I'm not gonna die. Friends, how are you all doing? This week has been a pretty special week. First off, I had a birthday. I turned 28 years old. And secondly, I launched my third travel film from New Zealand. I'm so excited about it. If you haven't had a chance to go check it out, I'll make sure I put a link below. And if you want to do me a little bit of a birthday favor, maybe share that video somewhere, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram or whatever it is, and let's get that video viral, because I'd love to get my videos just more and more out there for people to enjoy. I hope this travel film inspires you to go out and adventure and to go explore this world, because honestly, life's too short. Our trip to New Zealand was epic. Just so many epic mountains, crazy hikes, and the most unique accommodations that we've ever stayed at. We actually had the opportunity to partner with Glamping Hub and Valley Views Glamping and stay at the most amazing tents under the night stars. It was really such a unique experience. On top of this, we saw lakes that were more blue than blue can be possible. It was unreal, and we got to swim at the most beautiful gorges and just adventure and explore. But even though this trip was super epic and amazing, it was also challenging. When a lot of times when you see a travel film, you kind of see the highlight reel of the trip. And it was actually pretty tiring. We were doing crazy hikes, our muscles were super sore. We even slept in the car a few nights. I remember one night we had the window open, just a little crack just to get some fresh air, and all night long, all we heard were mosquitoes buzzing. And these are those behind the scenes moments that you don't often get to see from a travel film. It actually takes a lot of hard work to accomplish an amazing travel film. After our trip to New Zealand, I actually started thinking about why was this trip a lot harder to make the travel film, and what were some reasons why Hawaii was a lot easier than New Zealand. And I think one thing that I faced was that New Zealand was just so epic and so beautiful all the time that I felt this constant pressure that I could be filming all the time, and to be honest, it got tiring. I didn't want to be filming all the time. I felt this constant tension between, yes, I gotta film and I want to film and make this epic travel film, but at the same time, I just want to enjoy being in New Zealand. I just want to enjoy traveling with my wife. I don't want to always be carrying a camera. I really caught myself in the tension between filming but also relaxing. I wanted to film to make that epic travel film, but at the same time, I wanted to relax and just enjoy the trip with my wife. So I started thinking, why was our Hawaii trip a lot more relaxing and the film was a lot easier to make compared to New Zealand? And then it hit me. Bingo. Shot lists. Yeah, a shot list sounds so simple, but honestly, it can really make or break your travel film. See, let me explain what I mean by this. You see, when we went to Hawaii, I created a shot list. I actually planned out what kind of shots I want for the film and what kind of activities I want to film to make an epic travel film from Hawaii. So when I was in Hawaii, I planned which days we'd film where and doing what, and I was able to just film, get the shots, bang, 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 job done, and then enjoy the rest of the day. Whereas in New Zealand, I didn't really have a plan for the video. We had been so busy before the trip planning our move back to Finland that I didn't really have too much time to actually think about New Zealand, and I kind of just winged it. We got there, we started doing the road trip, filming everywhere, and I kind of felt this constant tension that I gotta keep filming, when if I would have had a shot list and kind of planned what the travel film will look like, I would have known what I need to film and what I don't need to film. So guys, remember, create a shot list before you do your travel films. I know it sounds so simple, but how often do we not actually do them? If you want to be able to create a really epic travel film, but as well enjoy your holiday, enjoy your trip, then create a shot list. Then when you check off every clip off the list, you'll know that you filmed enough and you'll have enough footage to create an epic film, rather than constantly stressing like, oh, do I have enough footage, or have I filmed enough to create an epic film? Shot lists will help you organize and know that you filmed enough. And when you filmed enough, you know it's time to relax and enjoy the rest of your vacation. Because as important as it is to have enough footage to make a travel film, just as important it is to adventure and to experience places. It would be such a shame to get home and realize that you filmed way too much, and as a result, you actually didn't get to enjoy where you're traveling to. That you noticed that you were just constantly behind the camera, but you weren't really immersing yourself into that country and exploring and really experiencing what it has to offer. As well, with a shot list, you'll know that you have a variety of shots. I noticed when I started editing the New Zealand film, I had a lot less variety of shots compared to Hawaii. And lastly, with the shot list, you'll know when and where you can film each activity. For example, when we were in Hawaii, I knew I really wanted to film these surf shots at the beach, and I knew that sunrise would be perfect time for that. So we had scouted out one beach beforehand, and then we made sure we got there in time to film during sunrise. And lo and behold, they were some of the most favorite shots that I got for the travel film. So when you're doing your next travel film or whatever project you're working on, make sure you do some work beforehand. Brainstorm ideas of what you want the film to look like and decide what kind of shots you're going to need to be able to make that film. It's honestly going to make the whole process so much smoother, so much more enjoyable, and just way more successful. So guys, I know this time this is a super simple tutorial, but I know that this is going to be helpful for you to be able to create an epic travel film, but as well enjoy your vacation. If you haven't had a chance to see my travel film from New Zealand yet, I'm going to link at the end of this video the travel film, and make sure to share it to give me some birthday love. Let's get this video viral. Let's inspire people to go out and explore because life's too short. Guys, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can stay tuned to the latest videos I'll be putting out. We're gonna keep putting out more and more videos, tutorials, travel films, artist profiles, you name it. And if there's any kind of videos or tutorials that you guys would love for me to do, make sure you just write down in the comments section below. I love hearing from you guys and hearing your feedback, but as well, I would love to hear more of what kind of videos you guys would like in the future.